back to my YouTube channel. This is Mama G, and today guys I will show you another new hairstyle that will make you look more younger. Can we do that? Of course. So let's start. I look like 30 years old. Really? I feel like I am just a teenager. 30 years old? No, just kidding. Maybe just 22 or 20. But it's so nice, guys. Feels good to look like more younger, guys. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more hairstyle videos. And thank you for watching. See you again in my next vlog. Bye!